Racing just is started with friendly fire. Break quickly at the start. Potomac River race down on the inside. Gobelis comes next on a Zamalak to win. Perhaps Love while Gracious host is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader we have Potomac River maintaining a 3 lengths lead. And in second now is Gobelis. Friendly fire is down on the inside third. Luck to win Tonosama. Perhaps Love while Gracious host is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Potomac River by about 3 lengths. Friendly fire in second. Perhaps Love moving up on the outside. Gobelis. Luck to win comes next. Gracious host and Tonosama as they swing for home. We have Potomac River by out ahead. Down on the inside is Friendly Fire. Perhaps Love is on the outside. Last 50 meters. Friendly Fire. Potomac River, and finally it's an upset by Friendly Fire. Close between Perhaps Love, Potomac River. Then comes Gracious Host, Luck to win for your Pentapecta.
28136.